Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Analysis Hub. I'm really glad to have you here again for another detailed automotive discussion. In today's video, I'm going to share my thoughts and analysis about the 2027 Honda Goldwing Camper RV, a very interesting concept that blends the comfort of a touring motorcycle with the functionality of a compact camper. The idea behind this vehicle is quite fascinating because it combines long-distance touring capability with the freedom of a small RV, giving riders the ability to travel and camp almost anywhere. Everything I'm discussing today is based on research, general automotive knowledge, and comparisons with similar touring and camper vehicles currently available in the market. Starting with the exterior design, the 2027 Honda Goldwing Camper RV carries the signature premium styling that the Goldwing lineup is already known for. At first glance, it looks like a futuristic touring trike with an extended rear camper unit attached behind the rider's seat. The front section still resembles the classic Goldwing touring motorcycle, featuring a large aerodynamic fairing, a wide windshield, and sleek LED lighting that gives it a modern and sophisticated appearance. The body lines are smooth and flowing, which not only enhance the visual appeal but also help improve aerodynamic efficiency during highway cruising. The front lighting setup includes sharp LED headlights, daytime running lights, and integrated turn signals that are neatly built into the fairing. These lights provide excellent visibility at night while also making the vehicle more noticeable on the road. The large windscreen is adjustable, which allows riders to customize airflow depending on their comfort preference during long rides. Chrome accents and premium paint finishes further enhance the luxurious character of this camper trike. Moving toward the side profile, the extended camper section is where this vehicle really stands out. The rear portion is designed like a compact micro-RV, giving riders the ability to carry camping essentials and even rest during long road trips. The camper module appears streamlined and well integrated with the main body, avoiding the bulky look that some camper trailers have. It sits on a stable three-wheel platform, which improves balance and stability compared to a traditional two-wheel motorcycle setup. The wheels themselves feature a strong touring design with durable alloy rims and wide tires that are designed for long-distance comfort and road grip. The rear section also includes integrated storage compartments that can hold travel gear, cooking equipment, and other camping essentials. This makes the vehicle ideal for adventure riders who enjoy long journeys without depending on hotels or heavy trailers. Now let's talk about the interior and comfort features, which are extremely important for something designed to combine touring and camping. The rider seating area follows the premium touring philosophy of the Goldwing lineup. The seat is wide, well padded, and designed to support the rider for extended hours on the road. The ergonomic riding position allows the rider to sit comfortably with minimal fatigue, which is essential for long-distance touring. The handlebar layout is carefully designed so that all major controls are within easy reach. The dashboard includes a modern digital display system that provides information such as speed, navigation, fuel level, ride modes, and connectivity features. Many modern touring bikes now include smartphone integration, Bluetooth connectivity, and navigation systems, and this camper RV concept is expected to follow the same trend. Behind the rider's seat, the camper section adds another layer of functionality. While it is compact, it is designed to provide a small resting space for quick breaks during long rides. Some concepts suggest that the camper area may include a foldable sleeping surface, small storage cabinets, and possibly a portable power supply for charging devices. This means that riders could stop in scenic areas, take a rest, and continue their journey without needing a hotel. Ventilation and lighting inside the camper section are also important features. Small windows or ventilation panels help maintain airflow, while LED interior lighting provides visibility during nighttime camping. The idea is not to create a full-size motorhome, but rather a minimalist travel solution that allows riders to explore the road more freely. Moving on to performance, the 2027 Honda Goldwing Camper RV is expected to be powered by a strong touring engine similar to the one used in the standard Goldwing platform. Traditionally, Goldwing motorcycles use a smooth and powerful flat-six engine that delivers excellent torque and refined performance. This type of engine is perfect for long-distance touring because it provides smooth acceleration and minimal vibration even at highway speeds. The power delivery is expected to be very balanced, making it easy for riders to handle the extra weight of the camper module. Honda's advanced transmission systems, including automatic or dual-clutch transmission options, may also be available. This would make riding easier, especially for those who prefer smooth gear changes without manual clutch operation. Suspension also plays a crucial role in a vehicle like this. Touring motorcycles require comfortable suspension setups that can absorb bumps and road imperfections over long distances. The front suspension is likely to feature an advanced touring setup designed to provide stability during cornering while maintaining ride comfort. The rear suspension, especially with the camper module attached, would be reinforced to handle additional load while still delivering a smooth ride. Another key factor is braking performance. A camper trike with additional weight requires strong and reliable braking systems. High-performance disc brakes combined with advanced safety technologies such as anti-lock braking systems help maintain control during sudden stops or slippery road conditions. Stability control and traction management systems may also be included to improve safety while riding on different types of roads. Fuel efficiency is another important consideration for touring riders. While a camper trike is naturally heavier than a regular motorcycle, Honda is known for designing efficient engines. This means riders can still expect reasonable fuel economy for long road trips. Combined with a large fuel tank, the vehicle could cover significant distances before needing to refuel. Now let's talk about the expected price and market positioning. Since this vehicle combines elements of a premium touring motorcycle and a compact RV, it would likely be positioned in the high-end touring segment. The standard Gold Wing models are already considered luxury touring motorcycles, so adding a camper module would naturally increase the price. Although official pricing may vary depending on features and final production specifications, many experts estimate that a camper-equipped version of a Gold Wing could fall somewhere in the premium range of touring vehicles. This places it in a unique niche because there are very few vehicles that combine motorcycle riding with RV-style travel capability. The target audience for this kind of vehicle would mainly include adventure touring enthusiasts, long-distance riders, and travelers who enjoy exploring remote destinations. Instead of towing a trailer or driving a large motorhome, riders could experience the open road with the freedom of a motorcycle while still having basic camping support. Another advantage of this concept is flexibility. A vehicle like the 2027 Honda Gold Wing Camper RV could be perfect for scenic road trips, national park exploration, and cross-country adventures. Riders who love the feeling of open-air travel but also want the convenience of a small resting space may find this concept extremely appealing. Overall, the 2027 Honda Gold Wing Camper RV represents a creative blend of innovation, touring comfort, and travel freedom. By combining the legendary touring capability of the Gold Wing platform with a compact camper concept, this vehicle pushes the boundaries of what motorcycle travel can look like. While it may not replace traditional RVs or large campers, it offers a unique alternative for riders who want something more adventurous and flexible. That brings us to the end of today's discussion. If you enjoy learning about unique vehicles like this and want to see more detailed reviews, make sure to stay connected with the channel. Thanks for watching Auto Analysis Hub, and I'll see you in the next video.